Woo! Alright, so the thermostat came. Now, I just have to climb up there and install it. I had a ladder around here. Not sure what I did with it. But this thermostat's kind of nice. It's just plug and play. You can hook any fan up to it. I've got it hooked up to 2 exhaust fans. There's the wiring for it. I don't really need that. I just need the unit itself, because that is what crapped the bed. This is the unit. Really easy to install. It's got screws. I just screw onto both sides there. And wham bam, there it is. I plug it in. I plug the fans into that outlet there, and that's it. So now I have to get up there. Let me see if I can find my ladder. I don't think I have my ladder. So, give me this. Clip is useless if it's upside down, I guess. All right. Look at that big old pot of bromeliads. Gotta move this pot here. Get this down. Alright, I'm gonna try to step on this tank without breaking it. Yeah. Alright, I'm stepping on the 2x6. Oh, what do we have here? Bunch of ants. Focus. What are you doing, Mr. Ants? Y'all trying to eat something that went through the fan? It is another world up here, I'll tell you what. Yeah. Just smack this here. Look at them roots. I look. Those Jose roots are trying to get up into there. Ooh, that Jose root has grown behind the outlet. Bunch of frass. Let me unplug this, because that's for the fans. This is the wiring for both of them. Look at this ingenuity. That screw keeps it level. That screw keeps it attached. So this is the unit that pooped the bed. Just unplug it at this point. And let me take my drill. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Woo. Oh, it was the right way. I bet you anything the ants made a house in here. Sure did. Those ants sure did make a house in here. Awesome. They made a house in my timer too. And I think the reason they're making houses in the electrical is because with the electricity flowing through it, it makes it warmer. So yeah, you can see that there's some soldiers on it. I'm sure if I open this up, which I most definitely will, it'll just be caked in crap, but banished to the abyss. Well, let's get this new one on here. Widen my stance and try not to step on the elbow. Woo. Put you all up there. Oh, you can't really see me. You can see me there, maybe. Oh. There, the plan will hold it. I'm just trying to cut this open, and I need 2 hands from my kniffy. Of course, I've been cutting drywall, sheetrock all day, so it's a little dull. Yeah. But at least it still tears the tape. Alright, take this part off. Plug it in. Don't need my knife anymore. Yeah. Get you all turned around here. Got the new unit plugged in. I get this bad boy up in here. Like that. Hold y'all like this to try to... there it is, I'm in the same hole. Might be able to fit that screw in there. Turn it a couple times. Yeah, it's holding. Oh yeah, buddy. Plug these back in. Yeah. And that should do it. Now let's go test it out. And if it doesn't do it, I burn the greenhouse down. Let me get down here. Woo. My butt's pushing the ficus. I got ficus on my butt. Woo. Woo. That almost went places that I did not want it to go. But it didn't. So, yeah. Let's get the new remote. My batteries. What is that? Oh. Don't mind me, just use my mouth to open up batteries. Alright, so let's see here. There's one. There's two. Power on. Oh, look. Yeah, it was the unit. So the attic is actually at 70 degrees. The mode I want. Go to my mode. Auto timer. $24 hours, right? I don't want a timer. I just want an auto. Nope. Auto. And this should turn on now if it hits 80 degrees up at the top. Should. I'm gonna have to read into that timer. This must be a newer one because the one I have from before doesn't have timer. I don't think it does. I don't know. It's... No! My tomato seedling! Oh, it does have timer. This one is no bueno. It's poo-poo. We get rid of it. Next thing I have to replace is that timer, because ants built a nest in that. They've completely screwed that over also. I'm covering y'all up. Ugh. Why is my foot stuck in this stick? Well, thought I'd bring you along on the adventure of installing the new thermostat. It'll be a lot nicer now because it's gonna get really hot. I don't need this remote anymore. It's gonna get really hot there we are. It's gonna get really hot this week, so I figured I'd get this bad boy on auto. I'll set this in there where the other one went, or where the other one stayed. I'll tell you what, those fans and that thermostat, oh, someone's car go very fast. But those two fans and thermostat all together were like 225 bucks. That thermostat I just bought again for 70 bucks. I've had it for 4 years, and I mean, it has never failed me. that heater over there has failed me more than the thermostat. But I'm gonna hang these back up. Thanks for joining me on that little adventure. Catch y'all on the next one. Gotta go, gotta grow. Hey, look, a leaf.